we are going to make a healthy and delish twist on a classic favorite, lasagna. The first thing you do is you heat your oven to 415 degrees and you grease a 13 by 9-inch baking pan. And then we start mixing. You start with 3 cans of tomato sauce. Pour this in here. And I'm using the Goya red kidney beans that are delicious. They're so yummy and organic. A little bit of the juice right here. And the Goya organic pinto beans. Now I love the Goya beans because beans are really good for you. They're very nutritious, lots of protein. Put that in there. And the Goya black beans. Plus the Goya adobo with pepper, and that's like 1 teaspoon. And I'm adding some chipotle peppers. This is for a little twist, plus a kick and some smokiness. Put that there. You mix all of this together. And then you take 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella, and 1 cup or 16 ounces of ricotta cheese. I'm using the skim ricotta. You mix that together. And then you take your half of your Parmesan, and you're going to save the other half to top off your lasagna. Put that there. Half of your shredded mozzarella. And you can add little cheese, extra cheese, that's what I do. You mix all of this together. Now, after you've mixed your beans and your cheese, then you're going to line your baking pan with the sweet potatoes. Now, I've cut up these sweet potatoes, but I didn't peel them because I love the fiber and the minerals and all the other goodies that are in the sweet potatoes. So you just line this up, and then you put this bean mixture on top of the sweet potatoes, and you're going to be putting like 1/3 of this on top of the sweet potatoes. You're going to do 3 layers, and you put some of the cheese on here. And then I put some more sweet potatoes on top of that. Then put some more of the beans. Put the final cheese on top of this, kind of spread it out a little bit. Put a final layer of the sweet potatoes. I like to leave that peels on there. Okay, then we're going to put some more of the beans. Let me just lift this up a little bit so I can pour it on there a little easier. Okay. Now after we finish doing that, then we top off this lasagna with the rest of the mozzarella. Just sprinkle that on here. That's a mozzarella and the Parmesan. Put the rest of the Parmesan on here. And then you cover this with foil, and you put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Cook and then take off this foil and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's brown. After you take your 3-bean sweet potato lasagna out of the oven, let it cool for a little bit, and then sprinkle some basil or parsley on top for garnish, and you're ready to serve. I'm going to cut myself a little piece right here. I'm so excited. Still a little bit hot. Just give myself a little taste. The ricotta and the mozzarella and those beans. Yummy. Delicious.